Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect both wired and wireless headphones to one computer. First, Google virtual audio cable. Click download and get the installer. Remember to connect both headphone pairs to your computer, okay? Then you can launch the program. Let's install it. All right. Install. Click OK. Click Yes. It's installing. Next, search for VAC. VAC control panel. Open the file location and find audio repeater MME. Open 2 instances, okay? Click Wave Out and select either your wired or wireless headphones. There. Now choose the other headphones. Select both and click Start for each. Now both headphones should work. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.